Leo we are making pumpkin starter pancakes in the starter and some other things. So let's check. Here is my pumpkin. Naona naikatanisha, then I use this one, the other one I store kwa fridge ndio isiharibike. You have to peel everything. Hizo zingine pisa hizi hapa, but I'm not going to make all of it. Natengeneza kidogo, the rest I store. Sawa, we continue. Here is my pumpkins. Nimeziwekelea so that they boil, then I break them, then I make them with milk. But in the process I will show you. My pumpkins are ready cooked, you can see. Now I want to bread them. As I told you, we are going to do this process together. As you can see, I have added my pumpkin and the milk and some milk. Now I want to bread it, and I show you how to do it. Here is the final product. Now this is the starter, and it is the same thing I'm going to use to make the pancake, but I will only add a little bit of flour. I have added some sugar, some flour, wheat flour, and what else? And a bit of vanilla essence and sugar. We add a little bit of cooking oil because I'm not going in the pan. I'm not going to put any oil. I have interchanged my cooking. I'm going to do my pancakes here to the makeup. Then I told you we are going to do this thing together. You remember the time I was revealing this thing? I was opening after being gifted. I didn't show you the time I was cooking it. Now here are some of my sausages. I didn't put any oil or anything. I'm going to put them inside here. Let them cook. We do timing because it is meat. Timing. This is how it is turning out to be. I don't know ni nini nimepunguza. I think ni pumpkin nimeweka mingi, flour nikaweka kidogo. That's why it's turning out this way. This is how it looks. Now I want to flip the other side. I flip the other side so that it can cook both sides. Our final has come the perfect way. Hey, ya mwisho ndio inatokanga kwa and I don't know why, but it's okay. You keep on stirring this thing so that nimeongeza sukari. I have added some sugar. You keep on stirring until it stick kwa sufuria. And it is almost done. I want to remove it, and our mini are really done. I want to remove it. My people, you can see zimeiva mpaka zime pop. We go and eat now. Here is the starter. Nilikuwa nimewaambia. Acha tusikie venye ina taste. Welcome. Acheni tujienjoy tukikunywa na tukikula. Bye. That is the food breakfast. Uko na keki ya Mother's Day na pancakes zenye tumepika. Bye. Consider subscribing, share, comment, like. Bye. See you in the next one.